The courageous helpers. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived two siblings named Lily and Max. They were kind-hearted and brave children who loved their mother dearly. Their mother had fallen ill, and the siblings knew they had to help her get better. Lily, the older sister, was responsible and wise beyond her years. Max, the younger brother, was full of energy and creativity. They made a great team, and together they decided to create a routine to balance their daily work, studies, and caring for their mother. Every morning, Lily would wake up early to prepare a healthy breakfast for their mother. She would make delicious oatmeal with fruits and a cup of warm tea. Max, in the meantime, would tidy up their home and make sure everything was in its place. After breakfast, it was time for their studies. Lily and Max were determined to do well in school, so they dedicated their mornings to learning. Lily would help Max with his homework and guide him through challenging subjects. They believed that education was the key to a bright future. In the afternoon, Lily and Max would take turns taking care of their mother. They would read her favorite stories, sing her soothing songs, and bring her warm soups to comfort her. They understood that their mother needed rest and would make sure she was comfortable throughout the day. In the evening, Lily and Max would begin their household chores. They divided the tasks equally to make it fair. Lily would wash the dishes and sweep the floors, while Max would water the plants and feed their pet cat, Whiskers. They made sure their home was clean and tidy, creating a peaceful environment for their mother to recover. Once their chores were done, Lily and Max would spend time together, working on creative projects. They loved painting, writing stories, and playing music. They believed that expressing themselves through art brought joy and positivity to their lives. Before bedtime, Lily and Max would gather around their mother's bed and talk about their day. They shared their dreams, fears, and achievements, making their bond even stronger. Their mother listened attentively, offering words of encouragement and love. Days turned into weeks, and their routine became a part of their lives. Lily and Max's dedication and love for their mother never wavered. They continued to support each other, balancing their responsibilities with unwavering determination. Their mother's health gradually improved, and one day she woke up feeling better than before. She was filled with gratitude for her courageous helpers, Lily and Max. Their love and care had played a significant role in her recovery. As time passed, Lily and Max grew older, and their mother's health continued to improve. Their routine had taught them the value of hard work, compassion, and resilience. They carried these lessons with them throughout their lives, spreading kindness wherever they went. And so, the courageous helpers, Lily and Max, lived happily ever after, their hearts forever filled with the warmth of their mother's love and the memories of their journey together.